This video is for anybody who has a stain on their outfit and they're like, oh my god, this is last minute. What am I going to do about this stain? Well, as an artist and getting paint on my clothes, I discovered that the acrylic paint has all different colors. It's water-based as well. You can get either one. Now watch the magic, okay? Don't mind the apron because my next video is going to be about some banana nut bread. But see, I have a little bleach stain because it's technically, you know, I clean the house, right? So if I just put a little bit right there. Now I'm trying to do this on camera, so give me 1 second. That's a blooper. Okay. And you just rub it in there. Now, it's not exact match, but it looks a lot better than that white spot. And I just thought of this. So, because I had one right through here, you can't even see it, can you? You can't see it. So, see, just a little bit right there. Let it dry and it will blend in. Because remember, when your hair is wet, it's a darker color, right? Same with paint, when paint dries. So I just go like that, touch it up. So if you're like working and all of a sudden, this would be great for people on the set to have a whole set of these. And you can even blend two colors together if it was like a last minute thing. From my kitchen to yours, God bless. Heavenologist Kitchen on YouTube. Don't forget about that. And Heavenologist Art, and Heavenologist Show, and Heavenologist Report. All those are on YouTube as well. Much love.